Our Alpine has two of these mushroom type vents that you can see have started to deteriorate, and I've managed to, when I've been on the roof, I've managed to step on it and crack it. So I've ordered some new vents and I'm going to replace those. And as you can see there's some little leaves and stuff that are stuck in the sealant here. That is a direct result of me being underneath a live oak tree that I thought was done shedding at the time that I applied a bunch of new sealant, but it turned out it was not. So I'm in the process of cleaning all that stuff up now too. So get to see me change these these little mushroom vents real quickly. It's an easy thing to do. This is what a brand new mushroom vent looks like. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference. Our rig is a 2019. It's been on the road since 2018. We've been full-time in it for a little over 3 years now. So the sun has just done its damage. So take this little piece off here. You can see the inside's still in good shape. No reason to do anything with that. Now on the new one, unscrew it, and then we're just going to take it and screw the new one right up on top. There you go. New mushroom cap installed. Nothing to it. Now I'm going to do the one on the front. Just for everyone's information, I know that the roof is filthy. I'm going to scrub it here shortly. I have cleaned it at least twice since we've been here. And this tree and the birds that roost in it are bad news for us. Now if you notice, this is the side of the trailer. This is supposed to be towards the front. So I don't know if I did that at some point without knowing, but I've got to adjust this one so it'll come up like this, and you just raise it up and twist it around, hopefully. There you go. That's towards the front, because I don't think yeah, I can't do anything else with that, so cleaned it out a little bit more. So it's not perfectly aligned towards the front, but it should work. It's better than it was. Certainly good enough that I don't need to take the thing apart and pull the old one up altogether. So front of the trailer is that way. So while this is not perfectly centered or perfectly lined up, it's close enough. Put the new cap on, and we'll be done with this one as well. And we're done. So there you go. Replacing the top of the mushroom caps. Nothing to it.